Grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. Where feet may fail and fear surrounds me, you never fail, and you won't stop now. So I'll call upon your name, keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul